Hi, this is Art with OCRV. We've got a 04 Bounder and been talking to the customer for probably about a year on this one. He lives out in Palm Springs and brought it in about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And his wish list was new TVs and window shades, and outside entertainment was a big deal for him. New TV in the back bedroom. So now we're ready to deliver it. He's on his way from Palm Springs to come pick it up. So we've installed a 43-inch Toshiba TV up front and added a new Winegard Traveler satellite dish, new DirecTV receiver, new Pioneer home receiver to integrate with all that, and also a new Pioneer head unit for the driving system. So this system's now it's all up to date, and nice little TV back here. This had the old tube TVs in it, of course, and then so it's on a little slide. Now you got some storage room back here now that the big tube TV isn't in there. Nice MCD shades, got rid of the old shades that were in here before. These are nice. It's got a nice solar shade. So we put it had some, you know, old funky colors on the window surrounds, and it had some funny shapes, so we took everything apart and cut a nice smooth arch in there and then covered it in some cool fabric. Just brings it up to date. So we'll walk outside and take a look at the outside entertainment system. So I think we have some earlier video footage which they'll show you so you can see what it takes to put this box in here. So we put a nice little Toshiba TV in, little DVD player that's hooked up to these little speakers. Now you have a nice little outdoor sound system as well as for your TV. Now this can hook up to its own DirecTV box, or you can integrate it in with one of the other boxes inside. You can see that we've painted it to match the exterior with the graphics. Color match is dead nuts on. Paint shop guys just kill it every time. So anyways, this is a really nice feature that you can add to your older motorhome or new motorhome. So if you have any needs for motorhome repair top to bottom, please come see us at OCRV. And remember, we are moving to Yorba Linda May 1st. Thank you.